Welcome to an ONR live masterclass. Thank you guys for coming. Now, I want to get started with the session because in true ONR fashion, we give value, we share value. If you don't know me, my name is Olivin Kirote. I am a crypto coach / business coach, passionate about money, passionate about crypto, passionate about business, and that's why you guys are here. Just because I understand what I'm teaching doesn't mean that you guys understand what I'm saying. So I'm trying to find ways to make you guys understand this world without the jargon. So in today's session, I will try to keep it as layman as possible as I can be. First of all, please tell me on the comment section if you have opened a Binance account. Let's just start from there. Do you have a Binance account? Nacha, you opened today. You better have opened with the ONR link, sis. Agnes, yes, I have. Wanjiko, yes, I have. Short, yep, I do. You have. Jessica, yes, I have an account. Okay, thank you, Nat. Oh, you did it with my link, Binance. I know you're watching this video on YouTube. You see, she did it with my link. Anyway, I love that. If you don't have a Binance account, we cannot go any further. Okay, you have to have a Binance account. Think about like asset management company to open an MMF account. It's the same thing. You're using Binance to access Binance Launchpools. Because you guys have said you've opened a Binance account, good job to you guys. I'm really proud of you. If you haven't opened a Binance account, maybe you're watching this session on YouTube and you haven't opened a Binance account, please use the ONR link. Or if you're going to use a Binance app on mobile, please copy paste the referral ID. Now let's talk about Binance Launchpools. Guys, I'm not lying when I say if you have idle money in your account, you can make money with your idle money. If you have idle money in your account, right, you can use your idle money on Binance to make you more money. I have some money in my M-Pesa right now, about 7,000 shillings. I will show you how I will spend this 7,000 in my M-Pesa, put it on a launch pool. So let's start. Let me share screen. So this is my Binance account. First step is to buy some crypto. When you open your Binance app, if you have already gone through the process of verifying your account, for Natasha, I feel like she will have to verify her account for her to be able to do this. But if you've already verified your account, when you go to trade, you go to P2P first. If you're on your phone and literally on the home page, you're going to see P2P Apple June. And when you click more, you're going to see P2P recommended. When you click P2P, we are making money with something called Launchpools. But with Launchpools, you make money if you have FDUSD or BNB in your account. FDUSD is basically you're buying the dollar, but in crypto form. So remember when I said, do you have idle money in your account and would you like to make money? What you're now doing is you're buying dollars, but on Binance. I'm doing it with you guys. I've told you guys I have 7K in my M-Pesa, calling it idle money, and I'm going to try buy the dollar right now. So you can see here, this guy is selling it at 140. Let me see if we bought USDT instead. We can do USDT and then we will convert it to FDUSD. If you can see, guys, the USD with a T and a FDUSD, those are still dollars. So I can see currently it's quite expensive to buy dollars, in my opinion. I mean, they're selling to us at 140 shillings. That's a bit high, but we can buy USDT and then convert USDT to FDUSD. Guys, don't overthink it. We are just buying the dollar. What am I going to do? I'm going to come here and buy my USDT. This guy is selling it to me at 130 shillings and I actually have 7,000. I can buy it from him. I mean, he's within my range. Let's try fastest guy. So I'm going to click buy USDT. Guys, I'm buying it live with you. We are serious about this. So I'm going to tell him I want to pay 7,000 because that's his range. And he's selling me, I'm going to receive $53. USDT is basically the dollar, but now T is the company is called Tether, but we said we are not trying to be full of jargon today. So I'm going to click buy USDT. You can see I have successfully placed an order. And right now, actually, I should be sending him the money. So he's called Lonimo Tethia Muiti. Oh, he's a Meru as well. Interesting. I can do a bank transfer or I can do M-Pesa pay bill. I'm going to do M-Pesa pay bill. I hope you're following me, guys. Following through with me. This is what I've been doing since February. Let's go to my M-Pesa app. Now we are depositing the money, the idle money. If you have 100K in your account, 200K, you do the same thing. I'm only doing 7K because that's what I have right now. I've already deposited most of my money. We keep at it. It's helping us make more. I'm right now doing it on my phone, guys, putting 7,000 as I have mentioned. Let's confirm again, 00104502676 150. It's good to confirm, guys. If you make a mistake, It's usually tedious trying to notify Binance that you made a mistake, you deposited money in the wrong account, and then now then you have to file a complaint. I've gone through it. I don't like it. Please take your time. It's usually a lot, so just take your time. Transaction fee is 42 bob. Sent 7,000. There's my M-Pesa. What you're gonna do is I'm gonna now click here, transferred, notify seller, and then I have made payment, and then confirm payment. The order has been marked as paid. We're gonna chill, okay, for us to receive this in our account. What you can also do in case you're paranoid, write a message here so that in case of anything, Binance can use that as proof that you made payment. I have made payment. Kindly release crypto. He's even speaking to me in Meru. Guys, Timuka Mware, let me release. Okay. Always happy to see our people here. Go shout out to all the Merus, guys. Guys, we've received our USDT. Tumetumiwa pesa with our fellow Meru friends. View my balance. So I clicked view my balance, guys. You can see we have received $53. If you can see here, when you're on your wallet section, funding is basically a wallet on your Binance app. So when we bought the crypto on P2P, we have received $53 of USDT. But guys, for you to earn on Launchpools, you need BNB or FDUSD. BNB is the official Binance coin. FDUSD is their sister coin, but in dollar form. I'm trying not to be heavy with the jargon, guys. So what are we going to do? We're going to convert USDT to FDUSD. Why? Because for us to make money, we need FDUSD. It's already showing me here, convert. We're in the funding wallet. So the funding wallet is the wallet that keeps your money when you do a trade on P2P. When you sell or when you buy, money goes to the funding wallet. So we're going to just say, transfer from USDT to FDUSD. They're telling us the rate, and then you're just going to click convert. No fees. No fees. You're going to get exact money. You have received 53.32 FDUSD. So you see why this is cheaper. This is cheaper because, guys, we have literally spent 7,042 shillings because of transaction fees, anthem, na M-Pesa, but we have received 53.32 FDUSD. If we were buying it here, if you guys can remember FDUSD, when you clicked FDUSD and you click buy, the cheapest person was selling it to us 140. I have a calculator, guys. Let's do the math. If we were to spend the 7,000 shillings, divide by 140.9, we would have received 49.6 FDUSD, which is slightly less as compared to if we bought USDT, because USDT and FDUSD are the same. They are owned by different companies but do the same thing. So for you to save your money, buy USDT because you spend less money, then convert it to FDUSD. This is what we have just done here. Instead of receiving 49.6, we have received what? 53.32. We now have money in our wallet. You can see now, guys, it's moved from USDT. It has now moved to FDUSD. Now, that's what I mean by if you have idle money, guys, please promise me, put that money to work so that it can make you more money. If you're always looking at money in your account and it makes you happy, you have a problem. I believe you have a problem, because why is that money seated there doing nothing? You'd rather buy the dollar and then put it on a Launchpool and then earn money every other week. See this $53? You can earn money with your $53 without ever needing to add, unless I choose to. I started with $100 a year or so ago. Right now, guys, I have about 300K in this platform just for me to earn money. You start small if you're a low risk investor. Once you start small and you're like, wow, these guys have paid me back. Wow, I did not lose my money. Oh, wow, there's no risk. Wow, it's guaranteed. Wow, my money is actually making me more money. You get more confidence to put more money. I know losing money is a big factor, but you need to start and then see the returns you're going to make, then be confident in putting more money. The only reason I can say I've earned $400 of passive income in 2 months is because, one, I've gained the courage, I've understood the platform, I've understood the process, and now I have the confidence to put more money. If I'm putting about 300K and it's giving me about $400, imagine how people who have millions in this platform, so they are getting thousands and thousands of dollars. That's just the truth. Once you put your idle money here, I would advise you to start with any amount. You can start with $50, $100, $1,000. It all depends with your pocket. Obviously, the more money you have, the more money you gain. When you buy your crypto in FDUSD, you have to move it from the funding wallet to your spot wallet. Why? Because launch pools are linked to your spot wallet. When you get your money here, click this and then transfer to your spot wallet. It's not that technical. You have two accounts. You have your savings account and you have your expenses account. Every time you're paid on your normal account, you do where they automatically move your money from that account to another account. It's the same thing. But right now, it's like we're moving it from the expenses account to the savings account. Think of it like that. So we're going to move the money. Please note, moving the money is free. You see the way doing bank transfer within the bank is free. Even here within Binance, it's free. So when you go back to spot and your ISASA, $56, you can even see the history. Now, this is why I love Binance. It's showing you, oh, you've just received $56 from your funding wallet. So Binance gives you a track of your records, just the same way you get your statement in your bank, and then come to Launchpad or Launchpool. If you're on your phone or if you're watching on YouTube and on your phone, on the homepage for Binance, I want you to click more. More is somewhere up here. When you click more, I know you're going to see so many apps. Binance can be so intimidating, but it's very easy, guys. Scroll slowly, and then you're going to see titles, gift and campaign, pass that one. Trade, pass that one. On, that's where you stop. And then you're going to see Launchpad. So these are people who are using their Binance app on their phones. Click Launchpad. Now, because we are on a live class, I want to click Launchpad and Launchpool. And now this is where you earn money, guys. This is where you earn money, okay? In the crypto world, there are companies that are trying to enter the crypto space. They will use companies like Binance to market them. Why? Because Binance has many users across the world. If right now I'm trying to market my product, I will go to Google because Google has YouTube, Google has Google Ads. With Google, I can put my website. If I'm trying to grow an audience, I'm going to go to Meta. Meta has Facebook. Meta owns Instagram. Meta has all these platforms that allow you to be a content creator. Crypto world, there are people who are in the space who are big, called Binance, who have access to many users. So crypto companies come and knock on Binance and they're like, hey, yo, boss, guys, advertise for us this platform. In exchange, we're going to give all the users of the platform free money. So now this is the meta of crypto. All these are launch pools, guys. And basically, there's a new project being launched every other week. Just the same way there's a new content creator coming up on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube every other day. And you are all setting up your audiences and trying to grow your platforms. It's the same with the crypto space. All these are companies. ETHFi, Ivo, Portal, all these. ENA, SAGA. Okay, not SAGA, SAGA. SAGA is also a company. So they've come to Binance to market their project. Launch pools do not come every other day. They come every other week. We had a launch pool on 2nd April. Today is 6th April, and there's another launch pool. That one was on 18th March. Another one was on 13th March. You can't guarantee them and say they come every other day, but they come every other week. And because you have FDUSD, as you guys can see, or BNB in your account, you're able to be given this money. We have $53 in our account. What do? We come to the FDUSD pool. So already, why you're seeing that money popping up like that is because I have already staked. So what we are doing here is called staking, but I'm going to try not to use big words. I'm going to lock some money, basically. You lock some money into the launch pool. When you lock your money over a certain period, and that period is called a farming period. This farming period was 4 days. You have 4 days to earn that money. That's why the more money you have, the more money you will get, because most of these farming periods are so less. 4 days, unaona ingine ilikuwa 3 days, unaona ingine ilikuwa 4 days. Most of them play around 3 to 5 days. Some play 10 or 7 like this one, but rarely. If you ever see one going at 7 or 10, very rare, but some of them are there. So you only have 4 days to make this money. What I would even advise you to do is, right now, if you have some money, you already have a Binance account, you have 2 days before the farming period ends and stake your FDUSD or your BNB and stake to get SAGA, okay? I want to click FDUSD. 192,000 people across the world are participating. You single person in Kenya, you are afraid. 192,000 people are participating. This is 2 billion. Yeah. This is 2 billion in FDUSD that's been staked. Let me tell you guys, what wanatengeneza pesa hii dunia. And your money just goes to people who make their money work. If you keep looking at your money and it makes you happy, just know you're sleeping at your game, because how is all this money staked here? That's 2 billion.
Hi guys, Oli from the future here. I did make a mistake in this live recording. Right now you're going to see me stake $434. That money that I'm staking is money that I already had in my spot wallet. wallet. I will share 2 clips where I am staking the 434, which was already in my wallet. And then I'll also share the 53, which eventually became 56 because we added more money, but I will show you how I also staked that.
I can click here to stake. So it's already telling you I have 434 FDUSD available to stake. I have unclaimed rewards. So I can claim these rewards. However, they come automatically to your wallet. You can come here and then you click stake. So when you click stake, you're going to see my money here is going to go to 0. And then it's saying I've total staked $2,434. I put $2,000 to be staking consistently this year. Hence why I've been making videos saying, guys, look, I'm making $72. Oh, I made $100. Oh, I made $50. This amount is risk-free, meaning I can redeem it. And redeeming it means FDUSD will be returned back to your wallet. Let's say you stake it for 4 days, and in between the 4 days, you're like, me, I need my money back. Just come redeem, get it back into your wallet, move it from the wallet, and then go to P2P and then sell it and get your Kenya shillings back in your M-Pesa. Another thing I told you guys is your principal is not affected, meaning you will come back and you will find your money. Even after 4 days are over, you will find your money. That's why I'm comfortable to put almost, how much is $2,000 right now in Kenya shilling? 260K. That's why I'm able to put 260K comfortably. And if you can put more, please do, because you're going to make more. That is basically how you make passive income with Binance Launchpools. It's pretty easy. When you get these SAGA tokens or SAGA tokens, you can opt to sell them and get back your dollars or Kenya shilling. Or now, once you become a passionate crypto person, you can start learning about SAGA, and then you see if it's a project you want to invest in, because the price of SAGA can go up in future. Currently, we are farming SAGA, guys, and I'd like you to farm SAGA. Again, I'm going to click stake. I'm going to do max. I'm going to stake. It's going to show back to 0. Now the money has increased. Now I've staked $2,490. You see, already we have received more rewards. Just a few minutes we were here talking, right? And I can claim the rewards again, and then it's going to increase here. And it's happening until the farming period ends, which is 2 days, 5 hours and 55 minutes from now. If you have a Binance account, I repeat, you have to start right now. I want you guys to farm SAGA. If you have money in your account, guys, just start small. 2.8 billion has been staked. I think I am done with my class. I want to see what you guys are saying in the comments, in the chats.